Homeowners and renters, fatten your wallets from using PadSplit. Struggling to afford rent? Renting an entire apartment can be tough, especially in today's market. But what if there was a way to find a comfortable, affordable place to live without the hassle of a long lease? Introducing PadSplit. PadSplit is a housing platform that connects renters with individual rooms and shared spaces. It's perfect for young professionals, students, and anyone looking for a flexible living arrangement. Benefits for renters. With PadSplit, you'll save money on rent with all utilities, Wi-Fi, and laundry included. Plus, there's no need for a long-term lease or a high credit score. Benefits for property owners. PadSplit is also a great option for property owners. You can increase your rental income by renting out individual rooms and avoid the hassle of managing multiple leases. Become a PadSplit host. PadSplit is the country's largest shared housing marketplace in 20-plus cities that connects property owners with pre-screened residents seeking an affordable place to live. You can do good and do well with PadSplit, the nation's largest co-living marketplace. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you're interested in PadSplit, click the link in my bio. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.